So we're going to review this camper door lock for you guys. As you can see, it's electronic. It takes fingerprint, password. You can also use mechanical keys, Bluetooth from your phone. It is weatherproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged in the elements on the outside of your camper. Everything is included in here that you need to install it. You want to make sure this thumb switch for your deadbolt is lined up correctly for this D slot on here. And plug in your other piece here. So you leave for the day, you hit your lock button here, locks the door. You can also unlock it from the app here, or lock it from the app. And it'll give you some notifications on your phone of a locking or unlocking of your lock. You can also use a code to unlock your camper as well. It's locked right now. Hit the unlock button and then we'll type in our specific code.